Okay, today we have special guests helping us with our Halloween advent calendar.
Woohoo!
Joke answers. My nephew and my niece. And today we are opening number 13. Hey, number 13. Let's see what the question is. Okay, what is that? That looks like broomsticks. What do you call a witch's garage?
What? A door?
A what?
A door? A broom way?
A broom closet.
Let's see. A broom closet.
Yeah!
Yay!
Oh, you're so smart.
Okay, we're doing a fall color check. Now this is the area that I show you. It's just the opposite direction. And quite honestly, it's hard to see any color for all the dust. I think we're just gonna go from green to brown. We're just so dry. Hey, how are you? Are you waiting for breakfast? I see one deer down there. I'm really surprised. Hunting season, doe was open this weekend. So I figured we wouldn't see anybody for a while. How are you, my beautiful, beautiful sorrel? Sorrel Sam? Really? That was dramatic. Isn't she cute? It's cold this morning. And I bought this rabbit. It has a face on the top of the head. This rabbit, I don't know if it's a costume or a jacket for dogs. I don't know. But I got this last year on like super sale from a little boutique store at the antique mall. And she got another haircut last night, so her hair's pretty short. And I thought, oh, it's cold. Gotta put her little rabbit suit on. I know, I'm nuts. But I thought she looked pretty dang sweet and I wanted to share that. Okay, we're gonna make it to work on time today. Happy Monday. All right, number 14. Yeah. Oh gosh, is that Uncle Daryl? Why did the Cyclops give up teaching?
The kids were too small. He only had one pupil.
Oh, yeah, I bet that's it. He only had one pupil.
That's the answer?
That's the answer.
Boo!
Hi. Who we got there? We got the family. The deer family. Oh. Okay, let's go eat. Oh, that was a close-up, dude. What's in your hair? Look at him. Burrs again. Holy moly. Let me see you. Are you kidding me? All right, we got to go deal with that. today we'll be late. Oh, I had to get some burrs out of Zeke's forelocks. I don't know where he finds those, but I also don't go looking for them. So, and then there were deer. You know how that is. Charlie, you look so pretty. You got a hoodie on today. It is 45 degrees out. Nice. Nice. Nice and chilly. I think Daryl's gonna start the wood stove for the first time tonight because it's supposed to, we're in a freeze warning. I actually think the house feels pretty good. We're gonna warm back up into the 70s in a few days. All right, let's focus on getting to work. All right, Advent calendar, or Halloween Advent calendar, day 15 joke. Let's see if I can get it open. I always have such a hard time. All right. Whoops, don't look at the answer. Ooh, what is that? Where do you get new frogs? Daryl? At a spawn shop. All right, Tuesday's treasures. $1 each on these Twiggy stars. And 75 cents on this Empire blow mold jack-o'-lantern candy bucket. So that was a good deal. It's got the older handle. So I'm happy to have that. That was my finds today. What's in your main? Hay? You got hay? Yes, it's okay. You're still beautiful. Hi. No burrs this morning? Good boy. It's Wednesday. We're getting ready to go to work. Charlie, I want him to see how cute you look. Look how cute. She's got one of her sweaters on. So pretty. Yes, her is. Her so pretty. It got cold overnight. We've got a fire going in the wood stove, and my tires are showing they're low. So we're gonna have to put a little air in them. They always deflate in the cold. What are we gonna do today? Work. At noon, I'm going to the thrift store. Hopefully I'll find something. Yesterday I found a couple things, but nothing, you know, rare. But I'll show it later. I need to get a video together. I'm just looking for deer. I don't see any. The trees are, well, I don't know if they're changing or just losing their leaves. But it's gonna definitely be a different kind of fall this year. Right, Charlie? Right, you pretty girl. You pretty girl. All right, headed to work so I can be on time.
lovable, cuddly. I enjoy when you rub my tummy. I love treats because they are so yummy. I'm your buddy. Yeah, I'm a puppy.
Excuse me. It's been like 5 minutes since the last time that I got attention. I would like some more, please.
Oh, I love those so much. Oh, those pepper plants are pretty. And that's pretty. They're having a sale, but nobody's here. I might have to stop back by. But my husband's cousin owns this place. So maybe we can just call her if I see something. Those are so pretty. Well, we walked around. I love this little building so much. I'd like to have something like that. It's just absolutely charming. Well, the sun's starting to get low in the sky. It's time to go get something for dinner, and then maybe I'll share my thrift hauls with you. Advent Calendar Day 16. Ready, Daryl?
Yeah, I just about croaked on that last joke. Get it?
Yeah, I got it.
Perfect.
Shh. Whoops. Why did the witch go to the doctor? Time's up. She had a dizzy spell. All right, Wednesday's a thrift haul. I got this nice frame for $1.50. It's nice and heavy. It's got kind of a velvet backing. And that would be great for a future project. I also picked up these frames. New old stock, I guess. 75 cents each. And this is what they look like. Nice old oval frames. Would look fantastic with an old photo in there. Or maybe advertising. I love them. And then last but not least, some little kitties. Let me set them up. These sweet little kitties made in Japan. I love them. I think they're just, dare I say, perfect. I'm feeling goofy. Also, I didn't share this fun little gift I got Friday from a friend. Do you know what this is? I'm going to show you. Excuse my really dry hands. Look at that. It's magic. It's a little personal butler. It's a little ashtray ladies would use. Their own little personal ashtray because they were fancy like that. I love it. Very cute. Good morning. We're headed to work. It is Thursday, Vlogtober 17th. Yeah. I haven't been sharing a video every day, but I've been taking video. I just haven't had time to put anything together. And, you know, but I'm headed to work. Well, we're headed to work, me and Charlie. She works hard, being my emotional support dog. I'm going to be early today. I'm so excited. Unless something happens between here and there. But we'll be good. It's all good. Since I'm not going to be late. Well, I wasn't going to be late. Maybe I am now. I thought we'd be chasing the moon. The moon was big this morning, but I don't see it. I don't see it now. I guess it went down real quick. That or that haze back there is really covering it. All right, are you ready for day 17, Daryl Pummel?
Is it the 17th already?
What do owls say when they go trick-or-treating?
What did who say?
What? Oh, haha. Happy Halloween. Okay, Thursday's Thrift Finds for $2.50. I bet this is at least 30 inches wide. It's really pretty as is, or you could paint it and put it above a window, a mirror, a picture, or, well, anywhere you want. And it's magnetic, so you could magnetize some photos or any other kind of ephemera to it. So for $2.50, I thought that was pretty good. And for $1, I've seen these. I'm not sure where. I think I've got some ornaments like this too. But these are so fun. And it was only $1, and it's a night light. And it says it works. Yeah, it's a night light. But it's a mermaid. And she's in her little oasis, or whatever you want to call it. And it's got all these little fun trinkets. Look at that. I thought for $1 I could not leave that behind. Someone will love it. Yeah, very cute. Then I paid $1 for this. Can you believe it? Absolutely beautiful. It's the, I'll show you the bottom. Aristocrat. What is that? Castle China. Castle Rock China? Let me look. Castle China. That's what it is. Castle China. Made in Japan. And it's got the beautiful little feet. Beautiful handle. I don't see any breaks or chips or cracks. Maybe just a little wear on the paint. But my goodness, it's gorgeous. I think it's gorgeous. Yeah. Very pretty. Probably going to keep this one. I don't know. Why? Why am I going to? Well, that's my haul. My thrift haul for the week. Yeah. Did I forget anything? Nope. Okay. We are attending a funeral, and you gotta laugh because there's chickens in the graveyard.
We had to stop the procession so they could cross the street.
I love it so much.
Way to go, Aunt Ava.
Hello, welcome back. My name is Michelle, and this is Pummel's Antiquities. And I wanted to share, I got some friend mail. So I cannot wait to open this. It says fragile glass. I hope it made it here okay. I truly do. I probably should have fixed myself a little. We've been gone all day. My husband's aunt, she had passed away, and her funeral was today. So we just got back from that. It was very nice service. Yeah, just been one of them. So this is a very nice surprise. So let me open. I guess I should talk while I'm opening this. Yeah, his aunt was wonderful. She had 11 children and countless grandchildren and great-grandchildren and great-greats. So, yeah, she will be missed by many. Okay, you guys, I got it open. And let me tell you who this is from. This is from one of our good friends that we all know and love, Jean. Jean, over there at Jean E. And I will link her channel in the description of this video. I'm sure you already know her. If you're subscribed to me, she probably sent you here. She's so sweet, thoughtful, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start. Oh, some yummy sweets. Very nice, Jean. Reese's miniature cups. And look, she put them in a Ziploc. So if they got punctured or something, they wouldn't melt everywhere. That's wonderful. You've done this before, I can tell. Oh, how cute. I think I know what this says. Oh, how fun. I love this. Oh, it says spooky. I'm pretty sure it says spooky. Oh my word. Okay. Can you see? There's an S and a P. Oh, this garland is fabulous. It's spooktacular, Jean. I love it. Look at that. Oh. Oh, I truly do. I love it. That is just fantastic. Thank you. And there's more in here. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is so fun. Oh, what is this? What is this? Okay, we'll grab this. It's a vintage book. Awesome. I like vintage books. Is that noise going to drive you guys nuts? Speaking of vintage, I wore some of my vintage brooches today. And I was just tickled to death to wear them. But I also wore my black glass bead necklace that I got at a yard sale a couple weekends ago. And unfortunately, I broke it. I had it under my collar so it would lay right, and it looked nice. It did with this black jacket. I thought it looked really nice. And anyway, I was in the bathroom and I was trying to fix it because it was kind of cockeyed. So I went to move it and it just broke. I've got it in my pocket. I need to find someone that can restring things. And it's fairly old. But I was heartbroken. Oh, Under the Window. Oh, by Kate Greenaway. You'll have to excuse me. My eyes are so dry I cannot see. Oh, what a beautiful cover that is. I love it. Look at the imagery. Oh my word, I love it. Let's look inside. Oh. Why can't I see? Hold on, I'm going to have to look at this. It says copyright, all rights reserved. But I did not find a year. Let's see. London, Frederick Warne and Company Limited, in New York. Look at these babies. Oh my goodness. Oh, they're so stinking cute. And it has several stories. Oh, look at this character. Oh, fun. Oh, this is just beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, put that back on the stand so I can use both hands. But I'm telling you, the illustrations in this book are just so good. I cannot wait to look through this with my niece and nephew. They are such good readers. I'm going to have them read this to me. Since my eyes don't work, they've got young eyes. They can do it. But on these pages, they are embossed. Love it. Thank you so much. I love it, Jean. Thank you so much. There's more. Yeah, there's more. I don't know what to... Okay, we'll open this. Oh, I feel so spoiled. I feel so spoiled. Oh, I love goodies. I do. I love them. Oh. There's stuff in here. Oh my word, how cute. There's this little... Oh my gosh. It's a little brooch. It looks like it was an ornament because it has a heart on the back side. if I get it in frame. There's little buttons hanging from it. A little bird, the button eye. And it has a pin. So it's a brooch now. How fun is that? Oh, I dropped it. What's wrong with me? My fingers don't work. Oh, and then there's this beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. And then there's more. Oh. Oh, that's lovely. Wow. That is really lovely. That light is washing it out, isn't it? Oh, how pretty. That looks like it's carved. Oh, what do you call it? What do you call that? Why can't I think of words? It's been a long day. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks like it's that carved, oh, it's not ivory. What do you call it? And it's hand painted, it looks to be. Oh, and here's a hummingbird brooch. Oh, I love that. Can you see it? I love it. That is just fantastic. How stinking perfect. And here's another brooch. Art Deco. Look at that. Look how lovely that is. Very pretty. Absolutely. I love it. I've just got my mouth open. I'm like, ah. Like, oh, I love it. These are just beautiful, wonderful gifts. Thank you so much. So much. I don't deserve the kindness. Oh, here's a card. Okay. I'm going to read this. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off and read this. Okay, I just read the card. Very sweet. Very, very sweet. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Jean, John, and baby boy. Appreciate you. How cute is this? This is inside the card. I love this so much. Love it. These are great. Thank you for sharing your treasures. Oh, here's a Valentine. I'm not holding this in the right spot. How fun. This looks like an Easter card. I love Easter cards. Look at that little chick. And here's another Easter card. I love this beautiful little girl and her chicks. Very nice. And there's one more card here. Oh, no, there's a couple more cards here. Wow. Happy New Year. Oh, I love it. Happy New Year. And it has a lighthouse. Oh, I love that. And then here's a Christmas greetings. Look at how pretty. So pretty. These are just absolute treasures. Just like you are, Jean. You're a treasure. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This card is beautiful, too. Let me show that card. So pretty. Very pretty. Oh, how fun is this? That's very cute. It's like a book stack. A block, or actually 2 blocks, and it says elixirs and potions. And then Look at that. It's like the 3D puffy, and it has things in it that move. How fun. Can you see that? And then there's a little tag there that says potion. Oh, I love it. Very, very wonderful. So fun. Did you make that, Jean? You could have, because you guys used to make all kinds of stuff. You did. This says vintage Halloween. Oh my gosh, I might die. I might die right now. Oh, it says vintage Halloween. Really? It does. See? Vintage Halloween. Oh my word. Are you kidding me? Do you see this guy? Oh my word. It's one of those table sitters. And then this opens. I don't want to undo it. You guys, I don't want to undo it. I don't want to break it. Yeah. You open the little thing here, and you open the little thing here. I'll edit this out. See that? Yeah. Oh my word. You guys. Is that not just awesome? Look at him. Look it. Oh, I couldn't love this more. Could not love it more. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to close it back up so it does not get ruined. Thank you so much. Oh my word. You don't even know. I'm so happy. These are just absolutely wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. And these are really nicely, look at that. Very special. Very special. Oh my word. Gonna cry. She made this pillow years ago, and she collected poodle pins. And I have a poodle, Charlie, that, I share her a lot. And so she thought I would like to have these because of Charlie. She just loves Charlie. Jean, that is just the sweetest. Just wonderful. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to leave this just as you have it. Sorry, I'm crying. Yeah, that's just very, very, very sweet. Thank you. These, I'm trying to get it to where you can see it. There's a poodle. Oh my goodness, they're just so good. So good. Thank you. Thank you. Is that not just the most wonderful The most wonderful thing. And this is going to look good in my room here. It's just going to be perfect. As a matter of fact, I'm sitting on a little poodle that is going to have to, these poodles are going to have to live by a little stiff poodle that looks like my Charlie girl. Yeah. Will they not be perfect? Yeah, they will. They'll be perfect. Well, Jean, John, and baby boy, thank you so much. That really touched my heart big time. I'm going to cherish these things. Thank you for passing them along to me. I love them very much and appreciate it. This is so sweet. But I mean, I love everything. I love the book. I love the spooky garland. I love this guy. I love the jewelry. I love it. Thank you so much. Did I leave anything out? I hope not. I just know that I love it. I really do, and I appreciate it. And I enjoy watching the things that you share. I love your decorations. I love the way you decorate them and show love for your home. Your gardens are beautiful. You are very thoughtful of all of your friends. You're always trying to build up other people and their channels, and you always put love out there, and that's just really, really special. You are a very special lady, and thank you for being generous to all of us, and thank you so much. Thanks for making my day. And okay, where do I go from this spot? Yeah, I put it in the chair with the little stiff poodle. I love it. I think it looks perfect there. Perfect.